wrestlers of all time. He was the 2015, 2016, and 2017 WAL Heavyweight Champion, No Limits, David.
Big drive, and this time Fortunato needs a little time to look at the face of Forearms. He knows he's right in this match, and he starts to apply that pressure. There's the squeeze. Now he'll apply all pressure into Wagner's hand. Wagner needs the time, needs to stay with his arm. Don't expose the hand and wrist. The leverage, the height and length of the forearm of Devon gives him so many options, and he'll try to make just minor adjustments as the match progresses. Test different. Oh, he's going for a dad move. He's moving down to the wrist. He's trying to bounces. Moves down and tries to push the wrist of Portolato. That's a brave move. With Portolato strength in the joint. Long, grinding, 45 seconds of absolute pain, but you can see there the fatigue factor that it puts onto any opponent who faces Devon Lara.
Yeah.